Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Mi 11X, and today I will show you how easy you can record your screen in the smartphone. So at the first you have to find the tools folder. In my case it's right here, so enter and you will find screen recorder. You have to tap on it, just like that. If you want to start the record, click on this icon in the right bottom corner and then click start. As you can see, right now we can easily record our screen. If you want to turn it off, just tap in this place again. Tap it again, and it was saved, so we can click here and we can play it just like that. As you can see, here it is, our record from our screen. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.